it's me, IDKY. This is gonna be an amazing video, having an amazing day. Today I'm gonna make some awesome pastries. Oh, wait, that's blood. Oh no, that's blood. Oh, 911. Oh, that's definitely blood. Anyway, to make this pastry, first of all, you will need some mini muffins. And then you will need an egg cutter. Don't ask me why we're cutting muffins with an egg cutter. You're gonna go ahead and take those on a simple plate and delightfully. Warning, the following graphic content might be disturbing. Smash them to death! No, smashing things to death, especially muffins, is a very good way to relieve stress and anger. Put them in the microwave. And voila, you will have a very hot souffle, but that's not it. Oh no, we've got to make this video extra demonetizable. Get your egg slicer. Of course, putting this in here and smashing it is a way to make your meal 100% healthy and is a very good tactic if you ask me. 10 out of 10, quality idea. Someone hire me, I should be on Chopped, I know. Be honest, the crumbs left over, just eat everything while you can. Eat all the muffin crumbs while you're still young, or if you're an elder, yeah, anyway. And mash it up until it absolutely is so moist and looks like something that my dog threw up in the backyard. 10 out of 10 idea. Someone hire me, just please. A little chocolate syrup on it, and this cup that has been of ice water, that has been standing there somehow the whole entire scene. You're going to twist that open, and then you're going to inject some of the juice into your magnificent souffle. Very, very yummy. You've got to put the thing at a 90 degrees angle. This is going well. Then take some extra chocolate sauce just because, and then you're done. It's all perfect. Just keep eating the crumbs. And you do have to make it just a little more moist. Feed it to your dog. I was joking on that last part. Don't do that, please. Your dog no, it's not good. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed. I will be making more cooking videos, so this is going to be a series, so that should be pretty cool. Peace.